Gabriel. We're at InfoComm 2026. Hello, rAVe. Hello, everyone out there. So we're going to show a few products here for the infrastructure market. We're showing our F preamps in two different lengths here with our 4018 and our 4011 capsule. One is cardioid, one is supercardioid. We're also showing the stand-mounted version of the 4018, which is right here. These are modulars, so you can unscrew these and change them with different polar patterns. And so it really is a good return on investment when you're buying one stand that could use multiple capsules. And we're also showing our DM6000 with our, this looks like our 30 centimeter 4098, which is also supercardioid and is 16 millivolts of sensitivity for anyone out there who likes that information. Very good for podiums, lecterns, choir mic, that kind of stuff. And I don't know if you saw the 4097, have you? Nope. So over here is the 4097 hooked up to the N series. And here we have a little transmitter on the cradle down here. So the N series transmitter goes into any system that uses Dante or analog, and as well as any wireless system. This is a 4097, same as the 4098 as far as sensitivity and rejection goes and polar pattern. And here we have a stand that can mount up to 100.2 inches and is 3 points of isolation, so you can just knock it around and not get that big sound through the PA. Also great on instruments, if no one has told you that. So great for traditional choir, as well as splitting between two violins or a timpani drum, really, really accurate sound. And everything is mounted inside of our TSM4001, which can really reduce the vibrations for our microphones. So come on down and see us here. I guess we'll pass it over to Austrian Audio. This is Gabriel signing out.